Hi, Bella. What you up to there?
Hi, Roger. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an amazing fizzy tonic.
Sounds interesting. What do you call it?
We're going to be making a sparkling kefir matcha.
Okay. So what are the ingredients?
Yes, we're going to start off by using some raw kefir and some sparkling mineral water.
So what's the ratio for that?
Yes, so the ratio that we're going to be doing today is we're just going to be doing a fourth a cup of kefir.
Okay.
And then we're going to be doing about 6 ounces of the spring water. So the ratio is a little bit higher to the sparkling just because the kefir is pretty strong tasting and you don't really need much.
Yeah. So this is a good introduction for folks too, if they haven't had kefir before, huh? And of course, kefir is an incredible probiotic. Generally used a lot in Eastern and Western Europe. I remember I first came across kefir with the Dutch family living across the road when I was about 3 to 4 years old, and I absolutely loved it. It had a very, very sour taste to it.
Yes.
So make sure you buy the kefir without the sugar. And in Chinese medicine, kefir is one of those lovely yin foods that, for instance, can restore the mucus lining of the digestive tract. And a lot of people get, for instance, this is a great food for leaky gut syndrome and any kind of irritation. Sometimes people get over acid and overheated in the stomach. So kefir is just this wonderful, soothing, earthing, lubricating food and high in amino acids, which of course is very, very good for building up blood and synovial fluid and all sorts of things. So kefir is just a fantastic superfood.
It really is. Yeah, it's rich in calcium, high in protein, and just boosts your immune system, like you said. So it's a really great introduction, an easy way to sneak it in without it just tasting it on its own.
Great. So how do you put all of this together?
Yeah, so you start with this, and then now you're going to make your matcha. So we're doing ceremonial grade matcha today. This is the best quality, highest quality you can find on the market. Ceremonial grade is the earliest harvest of the spring. It's the most sweetest, tenderest, and greenest leaves that are grown under the shade. So it's really rich in antioxidants, and the taste does not compare to any other matchas around.
Yeah, and it's just incredibly good for your brain chemistry and all sorts of other attributes.
Mood enhancement.
And so it's readily available, would you say?
Yeah, it's you would have to go to maybe a high-end store, but also just online you can find it anywhere as well.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do it.
So we're going to be using a half a tablespoon. You could do just a teaspoon, but I like to just do a little extra for just that strong bitterness flavor.
And of course, the kefir will smooth that bitterness out a little bit too.
Exactly. And so we're just going to do the half a tablespoon here, 2 ounces of water. And then this is also optional, but I highly recommend. It's just a nice balance of the sourness and the bitterness. I do a tablespoon of organic maple syrup.
Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah,
it's delicious. So we're going to be whisking this up today. I have a very fancy whisker here. It's a crazy matcha whisker.
Wow, you're Bella's sophisticated kitchen. Sounds good. It's silent.
Yeah, and the reason why I like this is because it only just takes a few seconds to buzz it all together, especially when you're making matchas all the time.
Yeah.
And that's really all there is to it. So you're just going to be pouring this over on top. And then I love just adding a little bit of Ceylon cinnamon to the top. And it's kind of fun. It gets nice and fizzy from the kefir.
Right. Well, this would be a good sort of spring and summertime drink as well, because it has a little bit more of a cooling action to it.
Absolutely.
And anybody with heat syndromes, hot head, headaches, this would help to bring the chi down back into the body.
And ice is optional. Personally, for me, I don't like ice, so I just do it this way and just put some goji berries on top, mix it all together, and that's all you need.
Perfect. And so you take that in the morning and the afternoon, yeah?
Absolutely, yeah. I would recommend this when you're kind of feeling a little tired in the afternoon and you just want something to, help you get through the rest of the day. This is definitely going to be it.
Sounds good, Bella. Thanks for that.
Thanks, Roger. Cheers.